Hello, this is a quick demo of how you do Yubikey personalizations for slots 1 and 2. As noted in the doc that was sent to you, which I've updated as well, you're going to click OAuth HOTP. You're going to click Advanced. You're going to select the configuration that you want to program. Notice my Yubikey right now is unprogrammed. I just want to make sure it was connected here. I'm going to select Program Multiple Keys, automatically program keys when inserted. This will allow you to iterate through multiple keys. Make sure you hit the generate to get a new secret key, and then hit Write Configuration. And this will ask you to save the data. I'm just going to save it to the desktop. And notice it has been successfully configured. Now, I can insert a new key. A new private secret key will be generated, and we can iterate through the keys, and it will automatically program for slot 1. This is what I suggest is the easiest way to configure slot 1 iteratively. And then once you have all of those secret keys, you then want to include them in the upload doc to Centrify. And keep in mind that that key is going to be stored here, and the secret key will be right here. So please remember that this is for slot 1 only. And it's important that you iterate through those configurations. Now, if I want to then start configuring slot 2, I hit stop. And then I can select slot 2, keep all of the same settings as I had before. And in this case, I'm going to generate a new secret key, hit Write Configuration, and now this particular configuration has been written. If you don't want to program multiple keys or do it automatically, that's fine. It's certainly up to you. However, once I've done this, I'm going to hit stop again, and I should be ready to go. Please note that the configurations will automatically be written to the file at the conclusion of stop. So when I wrote to the second configuration, you notice that it didn't ask me where to save that information because it's going to save that secret key information to a file I've already designated. Again, you can iteratively go through this in your Yubikeys to slot 1 serially and then slot 2. Once this is done, you're going to take the bulk upload OAuth template from the tenant that you want to designate these OAuth OTP, HOTP codes to. Keep in mind, regional in this case might be slot 2 and the main might be slot 1, but it's important that you know how to differentiate the two. In my configuration data, I can pick the actual secret key here, and let's say we're using slot 1 as our main tenant. Copy this and then paste it in, and I can associate it to a user if I want to, based on the UPN that I want to associate the user to. And I can say that here. And then make sure I put my SAM account name here with the right tense. And then my company, Centrify, Yubikey. The encryption strength, the number of digits, and this is important, make sure you change that to HOTP, and the number of seconds that the particular key will change. What this is the refresh rate. So once that's all done, you're going to save that bulk import off, and then you're going to come to Centrify, and you're going to do the bulk token import. And again, this is important. You want to pick that bulk token import from wherever it is, grab that template, and then do the next. It should take you through the process of showing you what users are being implemented. And again, this is tenant specific, so you'll be doing this for tenant A for slot A and tenant B for slot 2.